Okay, to get suvat number 3, let's write suvat up there just to get on the same page. To get suvat number 3 in there, in these terms of V's, U's and A's and S's, we have to combine two of the other established suvats that we've already derived from the graph. So this is just a question of substituting and simplifying to get it into the right form. So let's have a look. This is the way I'd do it. I would say, to start with, suvat 4, starting with 4, and I want to be in blue. Starting with 4, I would say S equals T U plus V all over 2, but there's a T in. We need to get an acceleration term in. So I thought to get the acceleration term, I would use suvat 1 because we've got but rearrange it to make T the subject. So from 1 we've got T equals V minus U over A. So all we have to do now is sub 1 into 4, which gives us S equals V minus U over A times U plus V over 2. They get cross multiplied and simplify quite well. I've brought the 2 over to the S and I brought the A over to the S side. So I ended up with, just to jump some steps, by bringing those two across, 2AS equals V minus U times U plus V. Now, applying FOIL for 2 brackets, you don't have to, you just have to make sure you do all the combinations, but it's quite nice to remember that. If we then multiply them out, we end up with 2AS equals UV plus V squared minus U squared minus UV. Instantly we can get rid of these two, and then we're left with these terms here in the middle, and then when we rearrange it, we end up with, just by transferring the U to the other side, we end up with V squared equals U squared plus 2AS. Let's have a look. Have we done it? Yes, we have. It is number 3. Let's